If you shy away from squats, in this video I'm going to share with you how to squat more effectively and, most importantly, what to avoid. After all, squats are one of the most effective calorie burning exercises that you can do. Let's start with just the body weight squat. The most common error with squatting is folding at the waist. Does this look familiar? Chest down, head down. This is going to put a lot of strain on your lower back, especially when you add load. So here's a trick I teach my clients. Your head controls the spine. So focus on where the wall and the ceiling meet. That will help keep your eyes up and your chest up. Now you may struggle with balance, and if that's the case, it may be because of tight ankles. So here's a trick. You're going to simply elevate your heels with a couple books, a couple plate weights, a 2x4. Let me show you. If sore knees are your issue, here are two options. Number one is simply modifying your depth. So you might be able to go to a certain depth without irritating the knees. It's important to maintain that range of motion. This is the most functional movement. I mean, do you want to be able to get up and down off the toilet? You need to be able to do this squat. Alternatively, you could be doing just a wall sit. We want to be able to strengthen the quads without irritating the knees. If this bothers your knees, scooch up a little bit. Do what you can. I suggest squatting in front of a mirror for starters to check your form. And remember, if you don't use it, you'll lose it. So it's really important to remain functional with these types of movements. Oh, and especially if you're a menopausal woman, check out my shorts for all kinds of tips to overcome those challenging symptoms of menopause.